What is up, guys? It is Motovlog day, and today what I'm gonna do is I kinda haven't been, that didn't make any sense, I haven't really been where I grew up in like quite a while, like a long time. Like my old school, my old house, like I didn't really grow up there. It's kind of complicated, but I've lived up here my whole life. But I went to school down where I'm going because my mom wanted us to be closer to her while she was at work, and she worked way down here. Long story, but I haven't been down there in a while, so I'm gonna go around my old stomping grounds and just chill, go on a good ride. It is beautiful out here. There is not many clouds in the sky. It's 11 o'clock in the morning. It's a beautiful day, so why not go enjoy it and ride around a little bit? So I'm gonna head down there. I know the whistle happens on the highway, so I'm not gonna film much on the highway, but whenever I get down there, I'll bring the vlog back. Pretty much actually coming into it right now. So I'm just gonna drive around and see what's changed. Maybe even throw some, like, go to some spots and throw some throwback clips in. I think that's what I'm gonna do, because I have a lot of like YouTube clips from like way back then, and some, not even YouTube clips, just some clips from back then. If I can find any for the spots, I'll definitely put them in. But man, it feels kind of weird to be back down here. It is unbelievable how, like, I know it got later in the day, but like from up there to down here, it is unreal how much hotter it is down here. The bike is already almost running hot. Yeah, I've been going 35 miles an hour for probably 300 yards, and the bike is already running warm. It's not because it doesn't have coolant or nothing, it's because, you know, it's a big bike, old bike, the cooling systems weren't the best back then. So if I sit and stop and go traffic for too long, it's like an air-cooled bike, like literally. I have to stay moving for this thing to stay cool. That's why I don't really go out in the midday like this, but this is the best filming light. Ooh, that was a cool Yamaha. This is the best filming light. Obviously, I can't film in the dark, so. Oh man, here we are, my old high school. Now, I mean, I haven't been here recently, but I mean, my little brother still goes here, so it's like it's not like I haven't seen this in forever. Welcome to Randy Penn Stadium. Oh man, and the big old Jumbotron. I'm gonna go to the back parking lot if it's open, because I have some old clips of back there. So apparently they've been closing it down, is what my brother and my brother's friend have been telling me, but hopefully it's like open, since it's not, there's no school going on right now. It is open. Oh man, practice field. We'll give the bike a break right here. Oh man, I want to go down there and look. Man, it's crazy. These hills are unbelievably steep, and we used to have to walk these in fucking football, believe it or not. There's hills over there you can't really tell. I'll show you a clip over there real quick. But we used to have to run those in football, and one of the practices I missed, you had to do it full pads, and you had to find somebody that was around your size and run them up that hill and back down. That's a practice I missed, and thank God that I missed that practice, because that was insane. Alright, there's another spot across the street I kind of want to go look at. Alright, I pulled over to the shade, but what this place is it's actually a rehab center for alcoholics. But if you look at all these hills and bumps and jumps, they're actually, there's like a little BMX dirt jump thing here. I mean, there's not many jumps, but there's like 3 or 4, and I actually have some videos and pictures I'll put in of me jumping over all this stuff. It's actually really fun. If my BMX bike wasn't stolen, I definitely would have done it some more, but you know, bike got stolen. What can you do? Not much you can do. But I'm gonna chill here in the shade, let the bike cool off for a minute, and we'll go to the next spot. Alright, bike is back to temperature. That is good. Now we're gonna see, oh fuck. Oh fuck me. There's an ambulance behind me. What do I do? Let's see which way they go. Okay, they went that way. God dang, he could have turned on his sirens a little bit earlier. That scared the fuck out of me. I tried to get out of the way, and he's like deciding which way to go, and all of a sudden it's just, it's like, Jesus Christ, okay. Next is my old elementary school. Now this is a completely new building. Holy shit. I've only been here like twice. Tell me this doesn't look like a college campus though. What kind of elementary school is this? It actually used to look like an elementary school. Now it looks like literally you could mistake that as like a college campus, dude. That's so insane. It's kind of cool though, that big cage thing right there is actually a train, and it used to be inside the library, and they kept it. Why? I don't remember. It's important somehow, but I'm glad they kept something from the old school. But I mean, it's so crazy. This used to just be a big field. There used to never be like a road right here. None of that, man. It's so crazy. That was my brother's friend. That was my brother's friend. That's actually crazy. I didn't know he was outside. Yeah, I gotta get back on the highway. This bike is unbelievably hot. Now, what would be the fastest way? Probably this way. Because there's some old school clips that I have on YouTube. They're cringy, but I'm gonna show them anyway. I'll show you when I get up here. I used to play bingo right here when I was like fucking 6 or 7. Bingo's rad, alright? People shouldn't hate on bingo. I like bingo. Bingo's fun. The old Walmart I tried to get my first job at. Technically, I tried to get my first job at like a discount tire, but I didn't study the hours and I looked like an idiot. But I tried to work there as my first job and they didn't give it to me, so they can go fuck themselves. This parking garage. So I used to do parkour, as I've mentioned before. I've mentioned it a few times. I've done parkour. I actually made a parkour video right around this area, and I'll put that video in here. Okay, so I wasn't going to include anything right here. I mean, you know, I was going to continue the motovlog, but I thought I should jump in here real quick while I'm editing this. That last clip needed some context, okay? As you can see, there's a sign there. There's only one sign on that whole thing, and I grabbed it. If that sign was not there, there was a brand new, this video was uploaded in 2012. No, it's privated now, so you can't see it, but this video was uploaded in 2012. Can you believe that? But there was a Jeep on the other side of that sign, and I was falling over, and I was going to land on this dude's brand new, Jeep Wrangler. If that sign was not there, I would have absolutely destroyed that dude's hood. So I just had to mention that because I thought it was funny, because it wouldn't have been funny, but you know, it's kind of a funny story behind it. If that sign was not there, I was literally falling towards landing on somebody's Jeep, and I'll never forget it because I thought, my life flashed before my eyes. I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna have to run because I can't afford replacing this hood. But yeah, I just thought I would mention that. But you, man, yes, it was cringy, but it was so sick. All right, I need to get back on the highway. This bike is 1 bar away from overheating, which it happens. So see, it happens, but I gotta get back on the highway. I haven't even been riding for 2 minutes and it's already starting to cool down. And just like that, we're back down to Tim. We can't have a video and not do some speed, right? Okay, here we go. Every year my town does this thing called Buffalo Bill Days. It's like it's celebrating Buffalo Bill, the guy that discovered a bunch of stuff. His grave is actually up there where those big poles are. I've been there. I've never vlogged it. Maybe I could go there for a vlog one day because it's really easy actually. It's probably insanely busy right now, but one day I'll have to go there. But anyway, they do this thing called Buffalo Bill Days and the roads shut down, and I wonder how close they'll let me get. So I'm gonna go find out. It looks like we're already kind of hitting traffic, but we gotta find out, right? We gotta see how close they'll let us get. Okay, here's the turn we normally make, and I seen a car turn right here, so this road's kind of open. Yeah, see, road closed the 30th. Oh, to 1 p.m. Oh, so an hour. Oh my God, look at that. That is badass. Dude, that's so sick. I wonder how much it costs to get in. Oh my God, that's my neighbor. That was my neighbor. Live band. Oh shit. No, this road isn't closed either. Oh my God, we're overheating again. I love this song. You play something country. What a banger, dude. Oh, can I at least stop in the shade for fuck's sake? I am dying of a heat stroke. The shade is right there. The shade is right there. I want to get to the shade so bad, but the fucking I get to the shade. I don't want to pull on this guy's ass though, you know what I mean? Oh my God, I'm dying of sweat. Dude, please, for the love of Christ himself, let me in the shade. This F-150 just has to be the size of the equator. He pulled up, he pulled up. Oh yeah, shade. Fuck's sake, boys. Shade, 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 shade. Oh yeah, shade. Oh. Can I just stop in the shade? No, of course not. Everybody has to pull forward. For the love of holy himself, I'm gonna have to pull over and let this bike cool down. Look at where we are. You guys see that? Great. And we just got a red light. I identify as a bicycle, so can I use the bike lane? Ooh, there's a lot of bikers over there. A Grom! Wait. Most of them are scooters. What the fuck? What? Dude, those are all scooters except... Oh, wait, that's a Navi. Oh my God, that's a Honda Navi. Dude, they're all scooters. I've never seen... Why couldn't I find a scooter meetup when I had a scooter? Dude, it's literally a whole scooter meetup with the Honda Navi, because I guess the Honda Navi technically is a scooter. That is so sick. Oh, home free. Finally. The wind in my hair. Well, my helmet. Oh, I swear to God, if this light turns red, I'm gonna lose it. All right, well, I'm gonna head home and let the bike cool down because it's currently 12 and I haven't had lunch yet. I'm starving and the bike needs to have a break. I've gone 43 miles. It's cooling down again now, which is good because we're moving. But I'll probably continue this moto vlog either later today or you'll see an outro. I don't know which because I haven't done it yet. Alright, so I didn't continue the moto vlog. I actually had to go to my friend's house because he gave me a BMX bike. Like I've said before, both my bikes were stolen and he actually gave me a bike. So I've been fixing that all day and now I just got time to editing. So here's the outro because I forgot to film one. So as always, if you enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.